Hey, good morning, everybody. Jason here. So, I definitely missed yesterday with an update. Got my second vaccine a couple days ago from Pfizer, and that for sure had me feeling pretty beat up yesterday. Still has me feeling pretty beat up today. Kind of hit by a truck slash flu kind of feeling. Um, so I think yesterday we ended up down a few $1,000s. I don't even know. I literally did not pay attention to the market almost all day. Maybe took a quick couple little peeks. But today, uh, things are looking kind of downish. I think Tesla, yeah, 690. So just so we can do something, let's roll out a couple of our credit spreads that are expiring. Um, tomorrow. So let's move out our 670. So buy back the 670. So it looks like we have a $750 collateral here. Move that guy out a couple weeks. I'm still really liking this 660 level. Let's see if we do the same 750. Grab another $129. Can we grab money for just a $500 spread? We can. We're gonna do that. So grab $58 here. If we can. How about 56? Today in particular, I need to just get these done, roll them out, and then probably go back to sleep. All right, 54. $54 credit, $55 credit. Plus we have an extra 250 collateral available. My debit spreads, obviously in the Garbo, and one more of these three of them, 660s. And we'll roll those out a couple weeks as well. All right, $120 credit. Roll out three of these guys. See if we can grab, 116. All right, there we have it. A little bit of buying power restored, which is great because we have our daily purchases of Tesla, Palantir, and a few others to buy. Take a quick peek at what else is going on. Sorry, this is man, this vaccine will kick your butt a little bit. At least it's kicking mine. Um, so most of our calls were all up on all the things that we sold. Besides Tapestry, holy smokes! I'm about to hit 50 there on Tapestry. AMD, I think that was up and then down yesterday. And Palantir, all right, down today. So this is where I'm gonna look to buy another one of the leaps. Let's take a look at the leaps we bought. They're somewhere way down here. All right, this guy, $20 call. I'm gonna wait to see if we get any more drop on Palantir. Obviously, it's headed pretty good to the downside, and then I'll look to pick another one of those calls up. Anyways, well, I'm gonna cut this guy short. Hopefully we end up somewhere in the green today, but who knows. If you guys have any questions, leave them. I'll try to get back to them. Probably won't be until tomorrow or so, because I'm gonna be hanging out in bed today. So all right, love you guys. Have a great day. Make a lot of money.